actually mine.
All right, Skip BEDELL is back with more essential outdoor gear. I am excited about this, Skip.
Hello.
Yeah. Listen, guys, you know, it's really important to have things back up, keep your family safe, and even fun to take on camping trips. So we're talking about auxiliary power today. We're in hurricane season. You have a storm, you have a power outage. You want to make sure you're going to be able to keep your refrigerator going. Maybe you have a CPAP machine. Right. You might be a diabetic. You have medications. It's critical to have your lights and your power going, even to see the news to know what's going on with the weather. So 4Patriots has multiple options on their website, but the best part is these are all solar powered. Starting off with this little mini sidekick, it comes with a free fold-up solar panel, so you don't even need to plug it in. You can charge it.
Hold that up again.
You can charge this with the power of the sun.
So that charges
Will it
this.
hold the power? Will it hold the charge?
Absolutely, it holds it for hours and hours. You can charge small things like your laptop, your phone. This is the next size up there, 1800, which does even more. But what I want to talk about is their brand new release. This is the Mac Daddy. This is a 2,000-watt solar generator.
Whoa.
It comes with a 100-watt solar panel that you see right there.
That big thing, you just you put it outside your house.
Yeah, so you leave that. You could daisy chain 3 of these together. You leave these outside your house. You plug it in with this cable. It keeps this unit charged, and then you can run things like your refrigerator, your freezer, your television, all completely silent. By the way, no fumes. You can keep this in your house or in your car.
And so, is this also a battery then? Because when the sun goes out,
right? Yeah. So this is an inverter, and you can run it inside your house. There's no gas. There's no fumes.
Yeah,
that's
which
amazing,
is great.
Because you always hear you have to put them in the garage or outside.
When we get hit by a catastrophic event, do we need to eat?
Yeah, so of course, listen, we've seen wildfires, we're in hurricane season, floods, all kinds of things going on. And of course, if you're going camping too, 4Patriots' #1 choice for survival food. Guys, this food not only tastes great, but it lasts for 25 years in these storable totes.
Wow.
So this right here, what you see, this is a 90-day supply. You get these 2 totes, delicious menus, delicious recipes, things like old-fashioned chocolate pudding, Aztec chili,
lasagna style
Alfredo.
my grandkids are going to be eating.
And you can eat it in the bag, right?
Yeah,
you
can eat it right in the Mylar bag. It's designed to last 25 years.
You can buy this, put it in your garage, and if something
happens, you keep it in your garage. And by the way, this is my personal supply. You just add hot water to it, and you have delicious meals for your family. It lasts up to 25 years.
I'm on Long Island too. I can come to your house.
Absolutely.
All right, good.
I have food for years.
All right, dinner in a bag. But
dinner in a bag.
More information, go to skipbedell.com.
Of course.
Skip, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for having us, guys.
Stepping aside, back in a flash.